Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Joyce, and for a returning subscriber, karibu sana. So on today's video, we are going to make a super easy, colorful and delicious dish, that is fried rice with vegetables. So over here guys, I have 2 cups of pishori rice. I'm going to rinse the rice until the water runs clear. That is to remove excess starch. And then I took a clean sufuria, I heated my oil, added my onions and cooked them until soft. This is my well rinsed rice. So we are going to add the rice in the mixture of onions and oil. And then we are going to stir this very well. We are going to add salt to taste. Stir this again and then add water. This is boiled water guys. So for me, I like adding boiled water for my rice to cook very fast. And then after stirring very well, you are going to cover this to cook. At this point, our rice is almost ready. So we are going to reduce to low heat and cover with foil paper. Foil paper helps to trap the steam and heat, helping the rice to stay tender, or to prevent it from drying out. So that is our rice after reducing the heat and covering with foil paper. It is well cooked and it is ready guys. On to our next step guys, we are going to cook these vegetables that I bought in the market. It is a mixture of carrot, we have broccoli, we have cauliflower, we have coyote, we have mishiri that I don't know in English what they are called. Yeah, that is the mixture of everything in these vegetables. So we are going to rinse or to wash our vegetables very well. And then in our sufuria, we're going to heat our oil, add our onions and cook until fragrant. And then we are going to add in our tomatoes and let them cook until soft. So make sure your onions are cooking very well, because some onions are hard, some are soft. So we are going to wait for these ones to turn out to be very soft. Then at this point, you can season your tomatoes. For me, I added black pepper, I added Royco cube, and then I had paprika and salt to taste. So our tomatoes look nice and they are soft, so we are going to add in our mixture. Stir very well to coat the vegetables evenly. So this is how they look after you have stirred very well. They look really nice. And then you are going to add some water, not too much, for the hard vegetables to cook. And then you are going to stir again. As you can see, they are turning out very well. And then you can cover this to cook. So this have cooked very well, and then I'm going to season with parsley. And stir everything up for them to coat evenly. So our vegetables are ready to serve, guys. So we are going to serve this with our fried rice. This turned out great and it tastes very good. So until my next one, it is bye bye.